Namaste and welcome to your detailed news roundup for October 13, 2025. Let's dive into the top national and international headlines shaping tomorrow's world. Sonia Gandhi in Shimla. Congress leader Sonia Gandhi will be in Shimla tomorrow to unveil a statue of former Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Virbhadra Singh at the Ridge. The ceremony is scheduled for 10 a.m. The Supreme Court will deliver its verdict on the tragic Karur stampede that claimed 41 lives. Mongolian President's state visit. Mongolia's President Khurelsukh Ukna arrives in India for a 4-day state visit at the invitation of President Draupadi Murmu. The visit is expected to strengthen diplomatic and cultural ties between the two nations. IHGF Delhi Fair kicks off the 60th. IHGF Delhi Fair, Autumn Edition, begins in Greater Noida. The 5-day event will host over 3,000 exhibitors and buyers from more than 110 countries, a major showcase of India's home decor and handicraft industries. MSME Conference in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav will inaugurate the MSME Conference in Bhopal. The event will focus on empowering small businesses through grants, industrial projects, and land allocations for new ventures. Modi invited to Gaza Peace Summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has received an invitation from US President Donald Trump and Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi to attend the Gaza Peace Summit in Egypt. However, it's still unconfirmed whether he'll participate. In sports, the India U17 women's team faces the Kyrgyz Republic in the AFC Women's Asian Cup qualifiers. NATO's Steadfast Noon Drill. Global and geopolitical news. NATO's Steadfast Noon Drill. Global and geopolitical news. On the global front, NATO begins its annual nuclear deterrence exercise, Steadfast Noon, in the Netherlands. EU justice ministers will meet in Luxembourg to discuss the rule of law and accountability for war crimes in Ukraine. European Council President Antonio Costa will represent the EU at the Peace Summit in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. Canada's minister in the Gulf, Canadian Minister Solomon, begins his visit to the UAE and Qatar to boost AI-driven investment partnerships and participate in GITEX Global 2025, one of the world's largest tech events. And a quick reminder, October 13th is Columbus Day and Indigenous Peoples Day in the US, so federal offices will be closed. That wraps up the key updates expected, from India's political movements to major global summits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your daily global news breakdown.